Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your spam folders, because sometimes what happens is missing emails are generally sent there. If that is not the case, you might need to check for filters and blocked account addresses. So you want to simply go to your Gmail settings and then click on filters and blocked addresses. If there are any, you can simply go ahead and remove it. If your storage is also full, you may stop receiving new mails, so free up your space if needed. Again, if that is not the case, you might need to also check email sync and pop IMAP settings. You want to simply go ahead and head into accounts and imports in the settings and ensure that your IMAP is enabled, and check if any email client or device is deleting or moving emails. If that is not the case, you might also check forwarding and pop, because what happens is sometimes you might have forwardings on and your emails are being forwarded elsewhere. Also, if that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check by trying another browser or incognito, or even get support from Google. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.